Respiration. Difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, there is oxygen present. Anaerobic respiration means that there is no oxygen present. All cells use respiration in one form or another. So I'm willing to draw a generic cell in both sides. With respiration to occur, you need a fuel source. Typically, we're going to talk about glucose. Glucose is your common sugar. Glucose is made up of C6H12O6, meaning there are 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 2 oxygen molecules. This enters the cell. Also, what enters the cell, in this case with aerobic respiration, is oxygen. Oxygen and glucose enter the cell. With some fancy steps, the cell ends up making 36 to 38 ATP molecules. ATP we can think of as energy. The more ATP you have, the more energy that your cell has available. But with this process comes some gases. In this case, we have CO2, carbon dioxide, is one form of gas, as well as H2O, what we call metabolic water. In anaerobic respiration, we have the same, fairly similar ingredients. Glucose, again, is C6H12O6, enters the cell, and with some pathways, ATP is also made. But this case, there is only 2 ATP molecules, less energy available. Also what happens, as a result, we still have gases. CO2 is the same gas, but instead of water, we have what we create as alcohol. With anaerobic respiration, typical cells that use anaerobic respiration when there's no oxygen present is yeast, to bake bread, as well as some bacteria, many bacteria, that causes infection. Also, what we're familiar with are sore muscles. The sore muscles, the soreness, comes from not getting enough oxygen to your blood, and the result, alcohol builds up in your muscles and makes you sore. However, your muscles typically have oxygen, as well as all your other cells. Athletes are much better at delivering oxygen to their cells and therefore can make more ATP. So, with respiration, think of it as breathing and breathing off or giving off carbon dioxide.